Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your Gmail password on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So your Google account or your Gmail account, all of them use a single password for your account, right? So if you would like to change them, simply go ahead, access your Gmail on your mobile phone first. Once you have done so, go ahead, tap on your profile icon that will be on top right corner of your screen. Tap on this manage your Google account option. Now this will open this kind of interface, but we need to go to our password, so we're going to go to security option given. And now here in this case, you can see your security tips, recently security activity, and how you sign in Google. And if you scroll down, you can see this password option, last change 30 Jan. So 30 Jan we changed our password, right, or aka updated. So you can tap on this password option. Now it will simply ask us to enter our previous password for us to verify itself that it is us that who wants to change the password. Once we have entered that particular password, we're going to tap on this next option, and then this will give us an opportunity to enter previous one and the new one and confirm it, and our password is changed. In case you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead, tap on this forgot password option, where it will give you an access to confirm you either way you can choose. You can confirm your screen log with the screen log password, or enter your password which we have forgotten, get a verification code or at your email, or you can find another way for you to get signed and get your password changed as well. So these are the options. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.